So hi guys, good morning. So Fish Bite here, and we're here at the School of Fish Pond at Pombong, Bulacan. This is 1.5 drive from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So via MacArthur Highway. But if you're going to use NLEX, it will took maybe just an hour or what. Sabi po nila, from Manila naman po, this is 2.5 drive. So today, here with me is my friend Sermon. Andun na po siya sa spot na yon. Kasi nakita siya ng magandang fish doon like apahap and tilapia. So well, School of Fish Pond is actually hindi ganon kaliit. So katamtaman lang siya. Well, as a rule po nila dito, dapat daw po 10 anglers lang ang pwede everyday. So hindi po siya crowded. And look, there are good size snakehead kaninang umaga na nakita ko po dito, and a good size apahap I think kasi nagtatalunan sila kanina. So they feeding some small fish doon sa bandang kinakatayon kanina ni Sermon. Well, nung simula pa lang ako, nakita ko naman po yung mga parang it's snakehead at they read dun sa ibabaw. So sana today po ibinasan kami at makahuli kami ng mga tinatarget ngayon. Well, speaking of buenas, I meet Sir Anthony here, and luckily, actually, hindi ganun kalaki kasi medyo may nakawala na po siyang isda. But at this point, nakahuli po siya ng tilapia. This tilapia is good size kasi it's around 1.6 kilogram na po siya nung winayin namin. So hindi lang namin napakita. At ito po yung part na nakahuli siya ng pako. So, well, the pako is a good size. At na-reel niya na siya at almost kukunin na lang. Ito po, using the net. Okay? Okay, yun siya. But, yun po yung nangyari. Naputol po yung line na pwersa. Yeah, but anyway, again, at the third try, no, mga ilang minuto lang po, medyo buenas talaga sa Sir Anthony, and again, he got this another tilapia. So, a bunch of tilapia na meron na po siya. So, this one is almost 1.1 kilo po yung isa na to. Medyo maliit siyang tingnan pero mabigat po yan. Ayan. Well, it's not bad kasi Sermon, well, nakawala na po yung una naming huli. Medyo hindi po yata maganda yung pakakakabit ng hook. But this time, sabi ko po sa kanya, well, we need to ensure that this fish will be landed natin sa net natin. So, yeah, I try to tell him the basic po. Well, this is the first time po niya, kaya natutuwa po ako na able to have this fish po. Well, that's another pako naman po yun. Yeah. So medyo exciting kasi siya din excited kasi that's his first fish. And yeah. So this fish weighs almost 1.9 kilograms, and yung length niya po is 17 inches. So that's big. So again, sa part naman po na to, si Sir Anthony naman got a good size tilapia. Yeah, this time plapla. So yung plapla medyo pinkish or reddish po siya compared dun sa ordinaryong tilapia. Wow, and the size, this one is 1.78 kilograms po. So, sarap. Sarap na yan. So, fresh po yun. Pambawi naman po, sa akin naman po, we got another fish. But this time, hindi po siya madali. Medyo pinahirapan kami kasi the fish, parang, well, nagtago siya. O lumangoy po siya punta dun sa mga damuhan na yan. So, medyo mahirap. And ang hirap kasi medyo sumabit po yung other hook sa leaves. And someone trying to get that, but yung daanan medyo hindi naabot nung landing net namin, and medyo malayo. So hindi niya abot. So I decided na lang na siguro ako na lang. So that time sabi ko ako na lang, pakihawak na lang to. So, Sermon is trying his best, but hindi talaga kaya. Well, medyo matagal po yun at medyo mahirap na process before nakuha ko din siya. Yun, nailagay ko din po siya sa net. And that's another fish, but this time is medyo malit ng konti, around 1.7 kilogram. But mas mahaba siya, This is 22 inches naman po. We-release the pako. Lahat naman po ng pako na nahuli namin, we-release naman po yun. So, yan. There you go, pako. Palaki ka. So, before we go home, no, merong extra bonus po kami. So, yeah, well, I'm planning to have the snake head po as my huli talaga na, as for my record, pero hindi po venenas at walang nahuli snake head. So, medyo patanghali na po to, around 11 something. 11, maybe 11:45, but 12 na rin. Nakahuli pa po kami ng another fish. So, pahabol. But this time, medyo nag-enjoy ako dito sa last fish na to kasi panghuli na nga, tapos kung lumaban pa siya, yun, medyo malakas kaya nakakatuwa. Look at my rod. Tuntua ako pag naririnig ko yung drag ko tumutunog. Nakakatuwa. Sarap pakinggan. So this time, medyo bangus po siya. Medyo maliit. So 0.62 kilograms. Yata inuwi namin. So yeah, inuwi namin na pinaksiw ng mama ni Sir Mo.